Google Voice versus Grasshopper. Hi guys, Google Voice and Grasshopper are two of the best voice-over internet protocol solutions. But which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Grasshopper and Google Voice, and we'll consider 4 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. The two apps have similar features at their core, but Grasshopper is by far the more advanced tool of the two. For the features, Grasshopper and Google Voice provide excellent communication features with unlimited domestic calling, voicemail transcription, and international calling. However, Grasshopper has the edge over Google Voice thanks to a few factors. First, Grasshopper supports audio conferencing for up to 10 participants, whereas Google Voice supports only up to 4 participants. Grasshopper also offers VoIP and Wi-Fi calling on all packages, allowing users to make and receive calls when cell reception is poor. Virtual faxing is also offered, which enables you to have incoming faxes delivered as PDF attachments straight to your email inbox. Google Voice only offers advanced features such as desk phone support, multi-level auto attendant, and advanced reporting to its higher-tier plans. Also, Google Voice does not have several features that Grasshopper offers, including toll-free and vanity numbers, virtual fax, and a live virtual receptionist option. Unlike Google Voice, Grasshopper does not offer call recording. Neither provider offers video conferencing within their plans, though Google Voice integrates with Google Meet, a popular app for conducting virtual meetings. Google Voice's communication capabilities are limited to calling, texting, voicemail, and one-to-one video calling. This makes Google Voice an effective VoIP solution for small teams with simplified communication needs. And for ease of use, Google knows how to make things easy to use, and Google Voice is no exception. Most users report that Voice is extremely easy to set up, and intuitive navigation makes it easy to move between frequently accessed features like contacts, texts, and voicemail. Grasshopper tends to score high marks from users for ease of setup and navigation as well. And for the reporting, both Grasshopper and Google Voice come with usage reporting on all plans. But Grasshopper offers 3 different types of reports that allow you to delve into every aspect of your calls and understand how your business is doing. Usage reports allow you to view call metrics, such as average call length. Detail reports provide data about calls during a specific period, including extensions, caller IDs, and destination numbers. Lastly, activity reports focused on the overview of calls by type, such as faxes, voicemails, and hangups. Google Voice integrates with Google BigQuery, a cloud-based analytics tool that runs queries on historical data and generates reports. Using BigQuery, users can analyze team members' activity across all Google Workspace platforms and combine activity reports. BigQuery will also generate custom reports and dashboards, aggregate usage data across apps, and perform advanced searches on activity. This feature is only available on the Premier plan. However, Google Voice does not offer real-time analytics. Google Voice users with non-Premier plans can access voice logs and other activity logs across Google Workspace and conduct searches with multiple filters. And for the pricing? Both Grasshopper and Google Voice have affordable plans that suit nearly any business budget. In fact, you'll find these two providers offer some of the most economical VoIP plans available on the market today. Grasshopper offers 3 plans priced at $31, $51, and $89 per month if you pay on a monthly basis. You get 10% discount if you pay yearly. When it comes to pricing, Google Voice takes the lead, offering a free personal plan that comes with unlimited domestic calls and texts, voicemail transcripts, call forwarding, and Android and iOS apps. Google's business plans range from $10 to $30 per user per month. While Grasshopper's plan is more expensive than Google Voice, it provides a suite of tools included in all packages, such as call forwarding, virtual fax, extensions, and custom greetings. Not only that, but Grasshopper also offers plenty of add-on features for unique needs, such as call blasting, voice studio, virtual receptionist, international calling, and additional extensions. So choosing between Google Voice and Grasshopper depends on your business and your needs. Grasshopper and Google Voice are both solid VoIP options. My recommendation? For someone just starting their own business and website and who rely heavily on Google Suite to get their work done, Google Voice is a no-brainer. They will need to invest in a separate line to connect with voice, but this still makes it an excellent business phone solution for beginners. For more experienced businesses that need advanced business phone features, Grasshopper is the better choice of the two. However, Google Voice and Grasshopper aren't alone in the world of business phone systems. So if you want to investigate other platforms, make sure you check out videos about the best alternatives. Links are in the description. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot. Thank you. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And bye-bye.